Hey guys, this is Mrs. Langeman. I wanted to do this activity with you. This is in your packet, so if you could get this little half sheet of paper out right here that says cubes on it, and if you could get out this activity, it's double-sided, it's got two different problems on it. Okay. For this activity, you're also going to need a green colored pencil or crayon, a green, orange, purple, pink, and blue, okay? And I have a paper that's already done, okay? So I want you to first start by shading in green for circle the key numbers, okay? And so basically this activity, we're going to cube a problem and we're going to color which part of cubes that we're using as we do it. Okay, so the U is going to be orange, underline the question. Your B is going to be purple, box any math action words or clue words. Okay, your E is evaluate or draw a picture, and your S is solve, and it's blue, and it says write an equation. And again, the E is pink. Okay, so we've got green, orange, purple, pink, and blue. So you need those colors, and you need to shade in just like I have it. Okay. Put it a little bit closer so you can see it. I'll leave it there just for a second. If you need to pause the video and catch up while you color that in, that would be just fine. Okay. And so we're going to use this sheet to help us do an example. Okay. You also have a cubes handout. Mine is in color, but I think yours looks something like this. This is an anchor chart for cubes. You should have already watched a video on this. This is going to go in your math section of the binder. Okay. So once you have all the colors that you need, we are going to look at the problem together about the brown belt. Okay. So we're going to have this problem about the brown belt out, and we are going to cube it, okay? So the first thing cubes tells you to do is circle key numbers, and we're going to do that in green, okay? So you need to get your green colored pencil out as we read. A brown belt costs $3, and I'm going to circle 3 in green because that is a key number. A silver belt cost 4 times as much. Again, I'm going to circle the green number. Okay. It says write an equation that can be used to find the price of a silver belt. All right. So the next thing you do is I want you to get your U color, which is the orange. You're going to get that out. Okay. And it says underline the question. So we're going to underline that in orange. And this question, it's not exactly a question, it's more of a statement, but it's what it's asking you to do or find. It says, write an equation that can be used to find the price of a silver belt. Okay, and that's going to be in orange. Okay, the next part of cubes is purple, and it says, box in any math action words or clue words. What tells you what you need to do here? I definitely think cost is an important keyword in there, so we're going to box that in purple. Also, times as much. We're going to box that in purple as well. Okay. Now, we're going to look at the E. The pink E says you're going to evaluate or draw a picture. I want you to think about what is going on here. Okay. So, if you were thinking about this scenario, you are going to do, telling me what you know. You've got a brown belt and you've got a silver belt. Okay, and again, you're doing this in pink because the E says to do it in pink. Alright, you're telling me what you know here. Alright, so we do know that the brown belt costs $3. It explicitly says that. Okay, a silver belt costs 4 times as much. So we don't know the silver belt price. That's what we're actually looking for. Okay. But it does tell you that a silver belt is 4 times as much. So a silver belt is 4 times bigger. Okay. So it's going to be, silver belt's going to be more. How many times more? It's going to be 4 times more. Okay. All right. And I definitely think we have enough to help us solve. So the blue is where you're going to solve it. It actually tells you need to write the equation. Okay, so the equation is going to be written as 3 times 4 equals, and then what that would be 12. And that's how much a silver belt costs. Okay. Now, once we have done that, you are going to do the back side of this sheet on your own, okay? And the back side of this sheet says Eric has 28 stamps in his stamp collection. Eric has 4 times as many stamps as Logan. How many stamps does Logan have? Okay, so you're going to make sure you do this with all the colors that you need. You're boxing in, you're cubing, you're showing your work, you're evaluating it, you're drawing a picture, whatever it is that you need to do to figure this out and write what you know. All right. Hope this video helps.